Hello there, welcome back. So on this 2005 Land Rover, I noticed the AC motor not blowing, so I ordered this one on Amazon. So this is the AC motor blower resistor. So this helps the fan to comes on, and this part here goes up in this hole right here. So it goes up in here like this. Hold on. Okay, it's a bit difficult to get it in at my position right now, but it go in this hole right here, the shine part, and use 2 screws to hold it down, one here and one right here. And I'm going to show you what else I have to do to get the blower motor to comes on. So right here, as you can see, this green and white wire right here goes to the instrumental cluster for the AC right here. So as you can see, this light up, the fan not running. So what I have to do, you have to connect these 2 wires right here, and I'm going to use this resistor. I'm not sure what value it is, but I take it out of all equipment and it works. So what I have to do, connect it between these wires and the AC will blow. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.